Rana Bhagwan Das has the honor of being the first Hindu who became acting Chief Justice of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Pakistan was created in 1947 as a homeland for Muslims. Islam is religion of the state, but the constitution guarantees equal rights to every citizen irrespective of religion, caste, creed or sex.
Minorities are well protected except in the matter of election to parliament, where their participation through general election was banned through long time. It was allowed in Musharraf's regime, but again by allowing them representation through political parties and reserving seats for them in the National Assembly, provincial assemblies, the effect of direct representation was diluted.
Born in a backward area of Ladkana, Bhagwan Das belongs to a small farming family. Encouraged by his Muslim teacher Abdul Qadir, he decided at his early age to become a lawyer. The motive was to provide justice to the downtrodden and helpless people in a feudal-dominated society. Hindus are a small minority in Pakistan and mostly live in Tharparkar, Umarkot, Jacobabad and Ladkana districts of Sindh province.
No doubt that there are not very many laws discriminatory against, but the main discrimination was caused during the martial law regimes. I would like that the constitutional mechanism like the National Commission for Minority should be activated.
Beautiful and historical temples of Hindus dot all over Pakistan, but the exotic temples in Thar Desert have unique archaeological features. These temples are home to Hindu festivals and celebrations. At Diwali, these temples light up, and when comes Holi, they become more colorful. The colors of Holi reflect the diversity and interfaith harmony of the Pakistani society. In these cheers of celebrations also lay the hopes and aspirations of the young members of the Hindu community.
Few decades ago, we were not choosing to come in these fields and professional fields like engineering and doctor or advocate. We would prefer to send our children in business. But nowadays we are just seeing that persons who are attaining a highest post like Mr. Rana Bhagwan Das.
Some times ago, the Hindus would mostly join the business and trade, but now they are confidently increasingly joining the professional services. Justice Rana Bhagwan Das is an inspiration.